Okay, this is the Crafty and its box. Inhale the difference, it says. Doesn't smell any different. 20% more battery power, that's fantastic. We'll open this up. Unboxing. Oh, there's a quality seal. The seals wasn't broken, which tells us the quality is good. What have we got here? We've got the instructions. Nice little book there. Now, I'm a man, so I don't need those. Price list. No, ooh, what's this? Quick start manual. Again, more instructions. Don't need those. I'm a man. Men don't need instructions. Ooh, it's compatible with all vaporizers. Okay, so you can mix and match easy valves with different products. That's cool. Hard to top, easy to expand. Oh, and there's some of the other vaporizers done by the same company. Storz Bickel. That's cool. There's the Volcano, Mighty, Crafty. Plenty stuff. Ooh, and here is the vaporizer itself in a box. Very futuristic looking. If the Terminator was using a vaporizer, this would be the vaporizer he'd be using. Oh, that little bit scrolls around there so you can smoke away. Fantastic. Don't know how you get it open. Okay, maybe I do need the instructions. Removal of the cooling unit. Off switch. Oh, there we go. That's how you do it. So that's where your dry herbs go. Nice. Pop it in there. Put it back on. Turn it on. I think if you push it a couple of times, it gets warmer. On and off switch. Fill filling chamber with filling aid. That's really fantastic English. Fill filling chamber with filling aid. Yeah, filling aid of growing herbs. Okay. Push and hold to turn off. Yep, there we go. What else have we got? Polystyrene, everybody's friend. Ooh, plug. Wires, that's the charging wire. Some silica gel. Do not eat or give it to someone you don't like to eat. Not a person that you would like to eat, but if you know what I mean. Oh, little gauzes to put in, little rubber bands for something. Not sure what. I'm sure they come in very handy. That's kind of cool. We've got, oh, grinders. Free grinders with it. Works out. Oh, filling aids. All right, so if you want to put it in, you can put that in there. That'll help you get your weed in. Oh, you can, or sorry, your dry herbs, because of course nobody wouldn't advocate any illegal activity, of course. You put a little bit of herb in, and then you go, so you know just how much you want. There we go. Don't break it. It's actually a little bit warm. And there's a nice little grinder that'll do the job for you for your dry herbs. And because we all know after you've finished herbing your dry herbs, vaping your dry herbs, you might get a little bit artistic. You might want to paint, so you get a little brush. So you can paint a little snowman or whatever it is. And you can also use this to clean out your well, whatever that's called. Fantastic. So there we go. That is everything in the Crafty box unboxed.